She tried acting tough with police, but did it actually help her, or just stack more problems on top of a bad night? In this video, you're going to watch a real body cam clip of a woman accused of shoplifting, admitting she's drunk, and then fighting the officers as they try to detain her. First, we'll play the entire interaction so you can see exactly what happened. Then we'll come back and audit every major decision, hers and the officers, and talk about what you should never copy if you ever end up in a similar situation. Remember, laws vary by state, and nothing here is personal legal advice. This is educational only. Now watch the full incident. Pay attention to when she admits she's drunk, when the argument over the bag starts, and the exact moment things turn into a resisting arrest situation. We'll break it all down after you've seen it for yourself.
Say shit to me.
What's going on?
Nothing. I just came here to buy my stuff, and I asked her what the stuff was, and she told me she didn't know. So I was gonna get back in the car.
Okay. Well,
I don't know, babe. If you what happened?
Are you guys okay to drive?
Oh, I was drunk. I'm drunk, but I'm drunk enough to drive though.
No.
Well, I got my cousin coming to pick me up though. I can wait for my cousin to come pick me up.
Yeah, that's fine, but you can't drive,
I'm
okay?
waiting for my cousin to come pick me up, then, baby. You can call whatever police. That's what I be trying to tell people. Call whatever police.
Sir, have you been drinking too?
No, I'm drinking.
Can you drive?
Yeah.
You have a driver's license?
You can go ahead and actually trespass him because I do know her bag has stuff in it because they didn't come in.
No, I didn't. I don't have nothing out of there. Whatever my boyfriend just had, this right here, this is the only thing that beat. She can have this bag. Yeah, you can have this now.
All right, here. Don't
Sir,
push up on me.
okay, but this is my bag, sir. This
I
is
got
my
you.
bag.
I
Listen,
got
this
you.
is my bag. I gave her this.
16, step it up.
Excuse me, sir. I gave her this.
Hey, just put
Sir, this is the only thing I gave her. That my bag is not hers.
Okay, I'm just gonna figure that out.
Okay, but why
I'm
are you?
just gonna secure you until that happens.
But why are you trying to handcuff me?
You are not under arrest.
Okay, but what are you handcuffing me
You
for?
are not under arrest.
I don't steal.
Put your
I'm
hands
not
behind your
stealing.
back. Put your hands behind your back.
But what are
Put
you
your hands
handcuffing me
behind
for?
your
I'm not stealing. I gave her
Stop.
the nails back.
Stop fighting.
I'm giving her the nails back.
Stop
Hey,
fighting.
baby, stop being so hostile with me.
Okay, well stop fighting and put your
Okay,
hands behind
I
your
ain't
back.
stealing. I'm giving her her nails back.
Okay. Sir, can you just go over there? Appreciate it. I'm just securing you.
Okay, I'm just giving her her nails back. They're good nails. I had them up on my arms. You seen it. I didn't want them.
Drop this stuff, okay?
Okay, get it. Okay, stop grabbing my arms like that. What you grabbing my hands
Because
for?
you're tensing up and
I'm not
fighting with
tensing
me.
up. Don't grab my hand. Fuck, I don't gotta steal.
I'm trying not to make.
Okay, I'm not trying to. Hey, get my purse, take my phone, get my phone up out of there. Get my purse, take it to my cousin's car. Get my phone and get them nails right there. The only nails that I had. Take my phone to my cousin's car. Take it to my cousin's car. That's the only thing I had was the motherfucking nails right there, and I had it up on my arms, some nails. Excuse me, sir. Why is you being so rough with me? You being rough as fuck with me.
Let go of my hand.
Okay, but you being rough with me.
I'm making sure it's not gonna hurt.
Okay, but you being real rough. You ain't trying to make show nothing. You worry me.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have.
Maddie, sit down on the ground.
I will. I don't got shit up here.
Okay, sit.
I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna
Okay,
sit.
I'm gonna help you.
Do you have to? I can see it.
Okay, I'm gonna help you down.
I can see it.
Okay.
But I'm telling you, sir, when I walked out, the nails right there is the one that beat up under my arm.
Okay,
That nail.
have a seat.
I don't have shit else up there.
Okay, come here. Have a seat.
I'm finna sit.
I'm gonna sit you in the car.
No, I'm gonna sit right here. I sit right here. I sit.
Get
I'm
up.
finna sit. Well, don't grab me. I'm finna
Stop.
sit. Don't grab me. I'm finna sit.
No, you're sitting in the car.
Why do I have to sit in the car? I don't have to sit in no car. Okay, I can stand by the car. I don't have to sit in no car.
Sit in the car.
I don't have to. I
Get
don't have
in
to.
the car.
So you just gonna bust my lip? So you gonna bust my
Sit in the
lip?
car.
So you busting my lip, yo? You
Sit
busting
in
my
the car.
lip? You busting my lip?
Sit in the car.
Is you busting my lip? I ain't do shit to you.
All right.
Can I talk to you for a minute?
17, you two slow down. I got one in the car. All right.
Yes.
Thank you for being calm.
Yes.
What's going on?
This came in the store. Look for some nails.
Temple.
She had the nails up on her arm. She must have got because she drunk.
Okay.
So, I'm saying she hands me.
Okay.
That
Do
was-
you have any of their merchandise?
No, I don't.
Okay. I got one female in the car screaming. Okay. It's a mess. All right. Is this your car?
This is
That's her car?
Yes,
Do you have a valid license?
Yes, I do.
Are you able to drive?
Yes, I am.
All right, have you been drinking too?
I don't drink.
Okay. I'm going to have you hang out here until I figure out what else is going on, okay? All right. So, I make contact with them both. She's drunk. And as they're walking out, it beeps. And the manager says, I want them trespassed because she just stole. So I'm like, okay. She's like, oh, I just stole this. It's like a little thing of nails. I'm like, all right. So I got to put her in handcuffs to see if she's also got a bag over there. see if she's got anything else. She starts freaking out. So I asked you to step it up. So I'm going to figure out, I just need to figure out if they want to prosecute, what else they have. I don't really have much right now. I can push resisting if I want, but that's kind of what I got now. Okay? And yeah, sir, you haven't committed any crime right now, as far as I know. So I'm just going to hang tight with you and make sure that we're all good with the store, and then I'm going to get you out of here, okay? Hey. So, do you guys want to press charges?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
You want to press charges for the theft?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
And she comes like.
Can you come out and and tell me what is yours? Hey, sir, where's her bag? Because you took it.
Yeah, she told me.
Yeah, where is it? Okay, I need that now. So this is yours, right?
Yeah.
Hold on to that.
Okay.
Why'd you go and put her bag in the car?
Because she asked me to report it.
Okay.
Step back. Step back. I appreciate
That's
it.
her bag?
Which one?
Yep,
Right
that
there?
one. That one right there, yep.
You step over there for me with my gun sign.
Hi, ma'am, could we go through this real quick and see what's yours and what's... Just tell me what's yours. All this is yours?
I'm not. I don't want to tell.
Okay. This yours?
Yeah.
This is yours?
Yes. All the overtime out. Yeah. All
This
that's
is
a six pack.
When you
Yeah.
go to the store,
Okay. Is this
Yeah.
yours? It's half done. Is that... This part might be hers.
Might be.
Oh, no, never mind. It felt right, so yeah, I guess it is. Chip gloves?
Yep.
Could you go through the rest of that? Hey, so I need to get a little bit of information from you to figure out what's going on, okay?
Am I going to jail?
I'll explain everything to you in a minute. What's your first name?
But am I going to jail?
Okay, I'll explain everything in a minute, and I'll only explain that to you after you give me the information I
Who
need.
am I, though?
I need your information first.
D-E-A-S-H-A. But
Hang on, you what? That's
am
a-
I going to jail because I didn't do anything?
Hang on. D-E-A-S-H-A is your first name? S-O-N, okay.
Am I going to jail?
What's your middle name?
Diamond.
Diamond, what's your last name?
Am I going to jail?
I'll explain everything in a minute. D-E-A-S-H-A is your first name.
So you can't let me know if I'm going to jail or not?
Okay, hang on. I'll explain everything. I just got to figure out what's going
So
on.
I'm going
It depends
right-
on this. Okay?
Oh, my name?
What's your date of birth? That's you?
Yeah, that's me. That's my new ID.
Okay.
Am I going to jail for no reason?
Hang on.
So that means I got to go to jail?
Yeah, you're going to jail for resisting
I didn't resist.
resisting with violence and
Please, I didn't resist. I promise I didn't resist.
well, I mean, I was there, so
I never
you did.
resisted with you, sir. I was just telling you. I was telling you.
And hey,
please don't
this
pay me.
is all you're doing, because if you didn't resist me, you wouldn't be going to jail, because they don't even want to prosecute for the things you stole.
Please, I'll kick it out.
And-
I promise I didn't resist.
And what are you saying? You didn't do anything wrong, because you had a whole bag of stuff you just stole from that place.
He was helping, but I didn't know.
It was on. Oh yeah, right. It was your female bag on your shoulder, and you didn't know. Come on.
Okay, get up, please.
Next time, when they're trying to talk to you, don't fight cops.
Okay.
Yeah.
You go to jail.
No. Hey, sir, is there somebody who can come pick you up?
That's what I'm trying to do myself.
Got you. Got you. Is she on the way already?
No, he's trying to call me.
Hold on, I just make sure there's no weapons in here.
Okay. Nope. Already done.
Sir, you listen to me then. Sir, you listen to me.
Yep.
I already got put out of my hotel room and I was just stressed out. I promise I wasn't trying to be rude and nothing. I just thought it was like, police didn't mean to everybody didn't think it was nothing like that.
You
I promise. You
don't
can
blame
ask them.
society for your own actions.
I know, but you can ask them. I didn't think it was nothing like that.
Well, then you shouldn't have pulled away from me. You shouldn't have fought me.
They keep asking people at the store, then they think I mean anyone. I didn't. I promise. I just can't. I got a fire and door at home. I got a fire and door at home right now. I think I ain't gonna have nowhere to go without me. I need my baby. I really need my daughter, bro.
You should make better choices then.
Okay, I said, I apologize. I didn't mean to resist. I promise. I ain't know that about resisting, dog. I promise. You listening? I know. Hello?
What?
Can you please listen to me?
I've already been listening. You're going to jail.
For what?
Resisting with violence.
Okay, well, I just mean that. Can you please have the man I was with that I resist violence, bro?
It's not up to him. It's up to me.
I did it. Okay, well, I didn't resist violence, bro. I did it. I just was trying to get home to my 5-year-old daughter. I got a 5-year-old right there at my friend's house, and we wasn't even supposed to be on this side. I gotta go home. Please don't take me to jail. I gotta go. I gotta go home to my baby, bro. Can you please say, I gotta go home to my baby. Please, I gotta go home to my daughter. We got some black people.
You were stealing and you thought I was being mean to you because you're black. You were committing a crime and you thought I was being mean to you because of the color of your skin.
Only thing I think beat me out. I thought that beat me out. The nails. That's why I gave it back to you first quarter.
What about all the stuff in your backpack?
Huh?
What about all the stuff in your backpack?
I didn't do that.
Oh, but it was on your... You didn't know, right?
Because I had it. Someone else was behind me put it in there.
Gotcha. They just put it in your bag. And I was born yesterday.
Okay, but the people said they don't want to press charges on me. Can
Nope.
you please ask them one more time?
I'm pressing charges.
Please, no, please. Please, I got my money on Jordan. I don't want this to be on my record. I can't go home with my baby.
It's too bad.
I'm not going to be able to go home with my daughter. Please, sir. Sir.
I'm working.
I'm not going to be home to go home with my daughter, though. Please don't do me. I'm not going to be home to go to my daughter. I just want to be home with my daughter. I just want to sleep with her tonight. Please, Lord. Can you please give me a trespassing inside? I never come back here. Never again in my life. I just want my baby. I just want to go home with my baby. I don't want to go to jail away from my daughter, bro. Please.
Hey, we're going to get you out of the car. This officer's going to search you over here. And then you're going to go back in the car, okay? Come on out.
Alright, let me step out of the vehicle real quick, okay? Watch your step. And turn to face the vehicle. Right here. Separate your feet. You got anything on you I should be worried about? That's gonna put me sick and hurting? Alright. What about your cousin?
The one that got in trouble with me, can you please go and call my friend and bore me out like his dad?
Yeah, I'll tell him to bond you out.
Oh, I want to tell him, like, 'cause I don't know if he gonna listen to you guys.
Step in the vehicle, please.
Quite frankly, I don't care.
For what?
No, sit down.
Step in the vehicle.
Sit down.
Like,
Our bonding out is not our responsibility.
Nope. Thank you so much. You know we're hiring. If you don't want to...
All right, you've seen it. Let's audit what went wrong. Mistake number 1, admitting she's drunk right in front of officers while they're asking about driving. That is basically volunteering evidence if they suspect driving under the influence. Even if she never moves that car, those statements can come back to haunt her. Mistake number 2, arguing instead of clearly explaining. She keeps going back and forth about what's hers in the bag, talking over people, and never calmly laying out the facts. When you're under investigation, confusion plus attitude is a terrible combo. It makes you look less credible and makes it easier for everyone to believe the worst version of events. Mistake number 3, tensing up and pulling away when the officer tries to control her hands. In a lot of places, that is where resisting, or even resisting with violence, charges are born. You can absolutely challenge unlawful police conduct in court later, but the street is never the place to physically fight that battle. Mistake number 4, talking non-stop after she's already under arrest. She repeats herself, changes tone, and throws out emotional statements about what happened and about her life. Every one of those sentences is potential evidence. The more you talk, especially when you're upset or intoxicated, the more chances you give the state to twist your words. None of this excuses theft. None of this excuses drunk driving. But if you are stopped or detained, there is a smarter way to move. Here's a better approach most lawyers would agree on. Stay calm and keep your hands visible. Do not pull away or tense up if an officer decides to detain or arrest you. Ask politely, "Am I free to leave?" If the answer is no and they put you in cuffs, stop arguing the facts of the case on the sidewalk and ask for a lawyer instead. You can fight the charges in court. You cannot win a wrestling match with a whole department in the parking lot. Laws vary by state. This is educational, not legal advice.